Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Claudia in Jamaica, and thank you so much for opening this video. I am still in a foundation, guys, yes, and finally finished the steel fixing here now. Steel fixing right around in the trenches, right around, as you can see. All right, so when your contractor doing yours, or if you don't have any contractor, remember to call us 876-292-6776. So basically now we want to make sure that we're lining up, right? Boom. So you see this right here, about 1.5 inches off the steel work, right? So we want to make sure we line up the matting. You also want to make sure that this matting and this foundation, this steel work, anything in here, let us call it the steel work. The matting is really what's running through the trenches. Remember, I explained that to you earlier in another video. So this is a column footing. So the square up one here is what we call a column footing. I call it a column matting. Don't know if that's the right word, but that's what I call it. So this particular one, you know, is 5/8 was running in the trenches, and we use 1/2 inch for links, right? This is a L column because I'm at a corner here now. So wherever the two walls going to meet on a corner, we'll put a L column, right? The wall is going to be in the middle, meaning we'll put a I call it a flat. So this one is a flat. It's not going to show neither inside nor outside because it's actually the width of the block, right? So all right, so basically you'll want to make sure, so these ones with the curve here, this one is shaking, or this one is shaking, this is a wall bar. So the wall bar goes on the center line because remember the block going over into that now and sit in the middle of this foundation. So you look and you want to make sure that these wall bars are actually supposed to be 16 inches on center. I kind of know that because I can judge it, and my matting down there is actually 1 foot apart. So my links are 1 foot apart. Each of these wall bars 16 inches on center, right? That's what the blocks, you're going to see the men them now put the blocks over and lay the blocks. So as you go through your trench, you want to make sure that your matting and your column matting, as I call it, is off the ground. You don't want this matting lying down on the dirt, because basically what's supposed to happen, the concrete must be underneath the matting, right? You mustn't have the steel on the ground and then the concrete lie down on top of the steel. No, the concrete must also be underneath the steel work. So basically the steel is like the steel work running in the middle of the concrete, right? So you're going to have concrete below and you're going to have concrete above, and the steel work basically running in the middle. This is supposed to be cast up 10 inches high, right? So as you can see, put some stone and stuff now underneath this to give us the elevation that we need. All right, so see another line here now. So this is a middle wall running down here. This is it right here, right? So this one, as you can see, is running down. All right, now the people who help you with this now, so that we have a parish council in every single parish in Jamaica, right? So the parish council, when the parish council gives you your drawing, ladies and gentlemen, you get back your blueprint and it's stamped and it's approved. I want you to read the instructions that they give you. There are some instructions there, a lot of you don't read it as homeowners read it. It gives you the breakdown and it tells you when, at what point you're to call the parish council. So you call the parish council at foundation. So we had to call the parish council when it was digging out. Them come and them check it and make sure, yes, you did the bedrock and all these fancy words that them use. Then you call them back a second time now when you have your steel man has completed the steel fixing, which is this here. So you call them back right here, so now, before they actually cast or pour the concrete, guys, right? So before them cast the concrete, You're going to call the parish council and say, come and check it. They're going to come, they're going to check it, and they're going to write up a little report, a little thing, and give it to you, a little paper to say, yes, it's good. And they're also going to be signing your blueprint to say that, yes, they have checked it. So these are the checks and balances that we have with the parish council when you're building. So you're not supposed to have no building a fall down for you and all these things, because the government of Jamaica has set up the parish council in every single parish, and they're there to come and check. Once them approve the drawing, they're there to come and check and make sure that everything is in order. So don't make the contractor then bypass that step, right? Now, if you don't want to do all of this work, then you call us, right? You call us, 876-292-6776. That's JobWork Partners, and I'm Claudia. So I ensure that all of that is done for you. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, the next stage of this is the casting, and that's the day that I love, that is the day we have lots of people, we have some food, and we have some music, and we dance, and we carry on, and we get the work done. All right, guys, so I want to thank you so much again for opening this video, and remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to call me if you want blueprint, right? You want to do a construction, you want to do, what else? You have some land that you want it subdivided, right? You give me a call. All right, you want to do renovations? Yeah, we do that as well. All right, thank you. And remember we also sell real estate. Right, can't forget that one. That's how it started. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.